Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Basically, the purpose of my video is to provide you knowledge and to boost up your preparation for the exam. तो आज का टॉपिक सोशल जस्टिस डिस्कोर्स ऑन डेवलपमेंट एंड ह्यूमन राइट्स पर है. So let's start. Social justice means the distribution of wealth, opportunity and privileges with just and fairness within a society. Actual objective जो social justice का होता है वो is that कि हर इंसान को equal benefits assess करने का chance मिले as socio-economic equality guarded by social justice. Social justice is another term for the justice of society and it provides economic socio-equity or human dignity without any discrimination. Social justice is strongly connected to community organizing and group work. It does commitment to fairness in all aspects of our lives, चाहे वो political way पे हो, economic, social and civil realms में. They will provide social justice का जो basically objective होता है is to provide you fairness in all aspects. Social justice fosters equal human rights, distributed justice, and a structure of opportunity that is grounded in representative and participatory democracy. These all are the objectives of the social justice. Without any discrimination and just and fairness treatment to be provided to each and everyone. So it's basically want to assure that it to create a fair and equal society. It is the fair and just relationship between the individual and society, removal of barriers that people face because of gender, age, race, culture, religion or disability. So through the social justice, gender equality promotes rights of indigenous people and migrants has been promoted, peaceful and prosperous coexistence within and among nations. Then all these are the objective of the social justice, as it includes the distribution of wealth, opportunity for people and social privileges. It seems to be a balance between the need to do your part, like equally your responsibility to be done within the society, and you will get equal from the society that are your rights. Human rights and social justice. Social justice and human rights both are two different concepts. They are closely linked. Both cover full range of benefits and burdens. As I have discussed in my previous video about the UDHR 1948 includes economic, social and cultural rights, which aim that there should be right to health, security in the event of unemployment and education. There are various domestic laws which aim to ensure that people enjoy equal opportunities and privileges. Social justice basically linked to the concept of equity and just treatment of individuals in their own social context to meet their needs and reach their potential. It supports that principle that all people without discrimination have the right to live in dignity and freedom and to enjoy the fruits of social progress. Basically, social justice talk strongly make an egalitarian norm कि सब people को equally मिले from the society as they are entitled to equal respect and consideration in the design and administration of the political institution that govern them. कोई discrimination नहीं होए on the basis of any reason and they should be treated equally. Human rights, like it has been considered that it's a general principle of social justice as it provides fair equality of opportunity and designed to regulate the overall institutional structure of a political society. Human rights movement in India got its germination during the ये कुछ facts मैंने इसमें add करे for your general knowledge that how it actually started human rights, and social movement is defined by the Blackwell Dictionary of Sociology in 1995. रिलेटेड इश्यूज जिसमें ह्यूमन राइट्स में अचीव हुआ सोशल जस्टिस. यूनिवर्सल ह्यूमन राइट जो UDHR है, that is characterized by a whole scale inclusion of justice among human rights and includes not only procedural justice but also distributive justice and fairness. कि UDHR के 30 आर्टिकल्स हैं जो मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियो में, यू कैन चेक माय प्रीवियस वीडियो, मैंने अपनी वीडियो में डिस्कस किया रिगार्डिंग UDHR. तो उसमें 30 आर्टिकल्स हैं दैट टॉक्स ऑल अबाउट कि एवरीवन इज इक्वल, एवरीवन हैज द इक्वल राइट्स, नो वन विल बी डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड अगेंस्ट एनीवन. तो इट टॉक्स ऑल अबाउट जस्टिस एंड फेयरनेस. Economic disparities, poverty and quality of life has been moved out, and social justice say we get the equal access to food, water, healthcare, education and employment, and we able to save our child from exploitation, human trafficking and slave labor. Social justice provide many movement. Due to social justice it lead to many movement, and it provides indigenous right and self-determination, crime and punishment panel system and economic implication, ethical treatment of prisoners has been provided by. Due to social justice it draws the attention toward these issues also. Eco activism, environmentalism, environment organization, like it give you like greenhouse gas का emission कम हो, climate induced environmental displacement as well as climate change mitigation and adaptation. Environmental justice से include जो भी concerning for social justice to either environmental benefits or environmental pollution based on the equitable distribution across communities of color, communities of various socio and economic stratification, or any other barriers to justice. Ethical treatment and human use of animals पे भी focus किया गया due to social justice, because social justice is for every living being. Social justice constitute the soul of the discourse on development and human rights. Social justice और human right दोनों ही goal share करते, that is human dignity and equality for all, as it overall it benefits to the human life and to the human being, and it also promote an adequate standard of living including adequate food, clothing and housing. The issue that makes social justice difficult to achieve are as follows: poverty, exclusion and discrimination. Due to poverty, as the percentage of poverty can lead to social injustice in the society. Exclusion, जैसे बहुत लोगों के rituals होते हैं, they make exclusion some community, some caste. This provides social injustice towards that society. Discrimination that makes, of course, injustice towards any human being. Human rights can help to fight indignity, a process that results in the transformation of social structure that to improve the capacity of a society in order to fulfill its objective is called social development. जो social justice का aim होता है, that is overall improvement in social condition, removal of social problems, solution of individual and family problems, speed of democratic values. Social justice coalition एक NGO थी, non-profit organization, जो for the past 7 years work to advance the constitutional rights, जो right to life, dignity, equality, freedom and safety for all पे focus करते हैं, that also included in our constitution. So basically, especially those living in informal settles across South Africa, as it is recognized in the South Africa, और इसका जो motto है, that is safety and security for all. Such social justice plays an important role in escalating not only the process of change but also in giving direction to the social change. In this way, we able to fight against discrimination, we fight against inequality, and we can promote equality at all aspects of life. Thank you so much for watching this video.